2,000 young boys and girls are going to be trained every year. And we are quite assured that a large percentage of them, if not all of them, will get employed and gainfully employed. At industry scale, the training and certification is to be provided. And this is catering to an industry which is red hot. A lot of investment is flowing in, a lot of long-term infrastructure spending, which is a priority with the Gati Shakti national plan. Our integrated freight corridors being developed, large port facilities that are being coming up and being inaugurated by our Prime Minister, our railways. So, as part of the Make in India larger vision of reviving and really promoting our manufacturing bases, we cannot ignore the very important logistics sector. There's an estimation as per the skill gap assessment that close to 95 lakh certified people are required in the logistics sector by 2030. And undoubtedly, if India is to become developed by in a certain reasonable time frame, the logistics sector must expand its reach and capacity. And therefore, to cater to that demand, this is a unique facility. The second such facility that's been opened up by Logistics Skill Council, first has been opened up in Chennai. Very happy, I was looking at the data, 96% of the young people from that Chennai institute have gotten employed. All great signs for Telangana, for the young people of Hyderabad, for this NSTI, for the industry academia collaboration that has come together. I also thank Reddington that has provided CSR for this facility right here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.